Morning everyone. We're taking a drive today from Inverness through to Loch Ness and various other lochs, and perhaps checking out some Harry Potter filming locations, so enjoy! This is our first look, well, on this trip of Loch Ness, and we're at Loch Ness Beach, which actually is a beach. Oh wow. Look at that. Definitely beachy. Oh, it's peaceful. Bit of old lumber. Tide's out. But yeah, this is the beginning of Loch Ness. Wow. Pretty cool, eh? It's Loch Ness.
Yeah.
Loch Ness Trail. Are we all recording, are we? All right. Oh, it's steep, isn't it? But we're on our way now to the Loch Ness exhibition and something else centre. And honestly, I had to drag Laura out of there because she loves a shop, and this place was full of Loch Ness goodness. Thank you.
I honestly didn't know what to expect. Yeah. Wow.
Compact and bijou.
Fantastic.
Yeah, all our gin is produced in here. So this is the whole distillery, this is the whole production area. All our different gins are produced in this one still. So Jacqueline, you're mentioning the name there, was named in memory of the lady who used to run the
Oh, hello.
You should find that a lot smoother than sort of bog standard gins. It's really, really aromatic, full flavours. It's made using all of these botanicals that we mentioned.
With all these spices, is it a bouquet like in a bag?
Sometimes. Depending which gin we're making and depending which botanicals it is. So for example, the London dry gin, we don't use anything for that. So these botanicals we will loose into the still. It's quite an aggressive boiling. It's in there with the alcohol and the neutral green spirit and the water.
I'm guessing by the fact it's on an actual trailer that it is a real one. Oh, it really is. The Loch Ness investigation from 1969. Yellow submarine. They had to do it in yellow, really, didn't they?
Do you reckon they paid in sort of danger money?
Yeah. Very cool. After spending quite a bit of money, actually, on gin and furry toys of the Loch Ness Monster, we're now making our way to hopefully what is going to be some waterfalls. Now, I don't know whether they're going to be running, but actually, what am I talking about? This is the edit. Of course I know they're going to be running, but they're cool. So enjoy the waterfalls that I know are definitely there. We're going in search of a waterfall, and it's either going to be a waterfall or just some rushing water, which I suppose is what a waterfall is really. We're going on a bridge. We're at Invermoriston Falls. There you go. Invisible steps. Oh Christ, they're steep as bastards. What have we got? Anything cool? Oh, it's kind of waterfally. Oh, this is very good. Right, mind your step, love. Oh, you're not coming down there, okay. I don't blame you, it's rickety. Oh, wow. Oh, there you go. Well, that'll do. Hello, love. Oh yeah, you're right, it is better up here. Oh yeah, wow. Oh, isn't that lovely? we're now on our way to Fort Augustus, which is the end, for us at least, of the Loch Ness, where we're going to be collecting some Loch Ness water and gravel for our niece. Yeah, just go for it, love. They'll move. Yeah, I'll get on. And that is Loch Ness, with lots of ducks. Oh, they're not ducks, they're they're rocks. Wow. Oh yeah. Lovely. Wow, I'm in. Oh, they're not waterproof, so I'm not going to go right in. Laura's getting some gravel, and we've got some Loch Ness water. It's not really clear. Well, I mean, actually on camera it looks perfectly clear, but... Well, I suppose it wouldn't be perfectly clear, would it? But yeah. Right, let's sweet up.
Yep, I tried to get some all different shapes and sizes, so it looks interesting.
Sun's out. And Evie had better be really happy because I filled that and I got wet feet now. No, I got wet feet now though.
Oh, she'll love that, I know she will.
This looks lovely and pretty, with the sun all twinkly in the water. It ain't raining, so I thought I'd go investigating. And the trees go up for days. Wow, someone's had a bonfire here. What? That's so cool. Oh man. Where did that breeze come from? What the hell happened there? Did you hear the breeze?
I heard, yeah. That's a tornado.
That's a tornado. And there's a tiny little waterfall there. Now it's deadly silent again.
That just
Yeah.
stood here.
Well, now we're on our way to Glenfinnan Viaduct, which is where, well, it's familiar to everyone from Harry Potter films. It's the viaduct that the Hogwarts Express goes over. And we're near it, so we thought, why not? And in fact, whoa, hang on. Yeah, I need to change this up. Hold on. Yeah, that's better. Oh, yeah, it feels good, doesn't it? In the Harry Potter world. And yeah, by the way, right over there, that is the viaduct.
you hear that? We must be getting close. Hold on.
Oh yeah. Now you're cooking. Little people that were queued up to watch it. And we just rolled up here
We did, yeah.
in just a split second.
Literally, just as it was happening.
Yeah, seriously, what are the chances of us rolling up here? What, 4
Literally,
minutes ago?
Yeah. And then literally walking to the viewpoint, and within 30 seconds, the train actually
Absolutely
goes by.
amazing. Like, that's just so cool. And the sun was out when it came by. You can just see it behind us there. There, no way there.
I'm on the edge of the bridge.
Oh yeah, thanks. Yeah,
Fantastic.
can't believe it.
Beautiful.
Well, like you.
No, and you. And that view in front, actually. Look at it.
Oh yeah, check all that out over there. In keeping with the magical themes of Harry Potter, you'll notice I've kept the music kind of magical. There's a reason for that, and that's because I found where they filmed Hagrid's hut in Harry Potter. Now, the hut's gone, and so is Buckbeak's corpse, sadly. But we went there, and, well, it's here. Like, any minute now, I'm going to be saying, here we are, looking for Hagrid's hut. Right, apparently we're going to where they filmed the Hagrid's hut scene from Harry Potter. But I don't really know how to get there. I think it's up there. Yeah, I'm almost certain it is up there. Yes, it is. There it is. There, yeah. Yeah, it's there, isn't it? Right on the edge and the forest next to it.
Yeah, it is, yeah. Oh, wow. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
While at the Hagrid's hut site, I met two ladies, mother and daughter, I think, but they had come all the way from Arizona and were doing a road trip around Scotland. Sorry, I'm just going to pause here and just check out these stunning views. Like, basically, the West Highlands are glorious. If you've not been, do it. It's absolutely stunning. If you like hills and mountains and whatnot. Anyway, so these women, they came all the way from Arizona, not specifically to see the site of Hagrid's hut, but, you know, I was quite impressed because obviously Laura and I very often go to the States and do road trips, and they were doing the same thing around Scotland. And, you know, Scotland's really in our backyard. Anyway, we're now on our way to... In fact, the day is ending. You're watching this time-lapse, the day is ending. We're actually very, very close to... In fact, we're arriving at now our hotel just north of Glasgow. And that's the time-lapse of the sun going down and it getting dark. So, yeah, I've narrated all the way to the literal end of the video. Thanks for watching and good night.